Me not live for impress. Me not live for social media. Anything you say, that you get. And you know that.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, and now we are train.
I go meet shop, go buy some pot for her because she has her mainstream.
Meat shop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Babe, so you say me can't buy a car.
Right.
Me general, look how more, yeah?
I go on the road.
I'm
yeah?
at
Yeah, man, bless.
Yeah, man. Look how you stand me front time.
Come.
Me can't buy a car.
Just go on.
Welcome back, my viewers. So people, just yesterday we put out a video showing where Spice addressed her baby daddy and the things them why I do or why I nah do. Film pitney them. Well, just now me have a video for show no of Spice baby daddy I respond back to her and the things them where she has say and him address a certain things. That little clip that I'm showing at the beginning is just a teaser. Me have the full video for no for show no. But before that, you see that video a while ago when me show you with Trabass and Delhi. People me don't know what I go on, but everywhere me go up on the internet, that video they gone viral. Everywhere on Facebook, everywhere on Instagram. Every time I click on, me I see that video they pop up in my news feed and everybody I talk about it. So you know me that I go search for it myself and find out what go on, right? So when I go search for it, me find it pop up and I watch it, and honestly, I was not disappointed, right? Trabass and Delhi, you know them are two Jamaican comedians, right, on social media, and them are do good for themselves. But I know that, give them the highlight, is an artist when named chaptanyne. Chaptanyne drop a song and Trabass and Delhi United, them start it off and people, they sang bad. When me start it, me I say, hold on them man. The artists are so good, but at one part the man get to where me love. The man say only me can stop myself. The song name Focus Like Telescope and the chorus say only me can stop myself. Now remember you know I'm me name unstoppable and anything we have to do with nobody can stop me, then me I go love that. So people, me I go make uno be the judge. Listen that little piece here.
Last year was a rough one. Struggles and trial. Reach out to enough people. Them no answer the phone when me dial.
Now me no feel like the artist need to go any further before me and the whole of uno can relate to why I say yes so. Because you know the whole of we hit a rough patch sometime and we feel like so we have some people in our corner where we can pick up the phone and call them when time we're down and out. And you know them people there, some of them just look on the phone while it a ring and just put it down and not even answer. Yeah. Yo, family or friends, it don't really matter. Them do it. The whole away of people who do that. So chaptanyne, know why I talk about.
Prepare and me ready for the world like a champion in action. Straight positivity, no negativity, no distraction. Me focus like telescope. Red light can't stop me. Support and no support. Me ready for bust like acne.
But you know what's in a life, whenever you go through whatever you go through, one of the most important things is to just stay focused. You understand, and believe in yourself. And that's exactly what chaptanyne say. You understand, he must stay focused. He must know say, yo, nobody can stop him. Even though he may reach out to some friends, even though he may reach out to some family, and then all of them turn them back on him, you have to just stay focused and know say, you there on a mission and you have to reach. You see? But people, the part where me love coming up right now, only me can stop myself.
Only me can stop myself. Only me can stop myself. Only me can stop myself. Only me can stop myself.
Yo, me not tell no lie. With a chorus like that, then the song no must be a hit. Only me can stop myself. Cause it catchy, you understand? And the beat too crazy. Me love the beat as a matter of fact. Chaptanyne, that one here is a hit song. Zine, but back to the point. Cause I feel like me I get too into it because him talk about being unstoppable. You see? But back to the point. You know that even when you're on some journey, you can't do it without Father God guiding your steps too. You have to make sure say you have Father God every step of the way with you. And chaptanyne, I make that clear.
Jah guide every step when me take, and him clear every part when me walk. Strength fi persevere anytime, anywhere. Give me light in the dark.
Believe me the whole that we need that strength to persevere, and the whole that we need Father God in our presence. Cause yo, when we are trod that road there now. By the way, speaking of trod, you notice the music video, the man, yo, the whole video is like he just a dictate what the man has said. You understand? Cause him dep on the trod, him dep on a journey, him dep on the mission. You understand? So I trod him a trod. But the whole that we need Father God when we dep on that journey there. You understand? And give it the light in the dark. And then you have the set of them too, you know. When them not see you for a while, them start to feel like say you're for your downfall, you know. But I pity them not even know, so you just step back for a little bit and just rebuild yourself for launch out upon them wicked, like chapter 9 I say yes so.
True them not see me for a while. Everybody pass judgment say me a skylark. But me did a buckle up me belt and I prepare myself so me ready for the task.
Now you know something, I feel like me a bit unfair to the artist, you know. Me not play no more of the man song. Me a go make uno happy go find it for uno self and listen to the song. Cause it not stop there, so you know, the man have a whole other verse where I talk about a whole heap of things. You see, I mean now go make it hard for uno as a matter of fact. The link will be down in the description. Just click the link, go over to chapter 9 page, listen out the song. And if you like it, leave a comment. But make sure, whether a positive or negative comment, just make sure you say unstoppable, send me over there. Wanna do me that favor there. Comment in the comment section and say unstoppable, send me over here. Zane, and make sure if you leave a comment. Watch out, before me even come off of this, me have to play the chorus one more time because I love it. It's bad. Only me can stop myself.
Me focus like telescope. Red light can't stop me. Support or no support. Me ready for bust like acne. Only me can stop myself. Only me can stop myself. Only me can stop myself. Only me can stop myself.
Now onto the drama. Spice and her baby daddy saga. Just yesterday, Spice forward out and she talk up a bunch of things. Well, the man never bother itch. Him forward back and him talk up a bunch of things too. And me not even go bother delay you no more because I know that you know what to say. So hear what the man have to say, yes, sir.
Remember, say nobody no know you like how me know you. Nobody no know the things that me know about you. But yet still, you know, see me I try to make you look bad. I just hold certain things and I just move on and I just build. Me you left, you never see me come try for styling, no way. Because guess what? I always do what you don't do. I think about Nicholas and Nicolatai and what it will do to them. Because everything you put on social media, up on internet, degrading them father, them are gonna see it. And them are grow, and them have mind of them own. You understand me? So you need to chill, man. Come back down to earth. Alright? Stay blessed. And wish you all the best. Okay? Wish you all the best. Good artist. Can't take that from you. Spice is an amazing artist. How much years now I couldn't talk to the youth them or have no link with them because you prevent all of that for your selfish reason. Because you're opening your feelings and you try to get back to me. Me not do for them now. You don't worry about that. Me and them good. Just continue to do what you are do. Yeah, God bless you if you do everything what you do. Yeah, I'm happy for you. You understand me? I'm happy for you. But else is using his IG and then erase. Why would he do that? Because guess what? The person who is using Nicholas' phone don't want Nicholas to see the lies that they're telling on him. That personally, because I regularly used to see you do it and play a victim and then switch it around on the other person and make you look like the good person. Because you will come on social media, come ball to, you know, and people believe you, know, because you're that convincing, you know. Remember, and me I deal with, and me know everything about you. I say you're a very convincing liar. You can look up in the sky. I mean, know the sky blue, and you can convince anybody say the sky is pink when you're done. Because you have reasons. Okay? So don't worry about that, man. Everything good. So just continue. If you try to bash me or try to degrade me or in the eyes of your fans them. Because that's what you do. Just like everybody else, you try to tear them apart on social media just to make you look good.
So we have come to the end of this video, and more uno do me a favor, click down in the comment section and comment for me what you have to say about Spice and the whole baby daddy saga. You see, more to hear your views on that. But also before you leave, remember to click the link in the description for Chapter 9 song as well. Go over there, go check out how Delhi deal with Trabass, and also check out this song. Leave a comment and make sure you make him know say me send you over there. Alright, because you don't know, we have to give support for support. Alright, watch out, man. This has been another one for Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, where you be at pan, hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable and I'm out.
Want to boost traffic to your business or get more ears listening to your music? Don't know where to start? Let us help you. Advertise with Unstoppable Media and get noticed today. Contact us at 876-420-3368 or email us at xtrailplayer@gmail.com. That's xtrailplayer@gmail.com. Let us put you in front of our audience today.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.